Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, I hope you are fine at your home. Please stay safe at your home during this coronavirus. Well, today I have prepared a presentation for the BBA first semester, and I will take class in your multimedia projector class, and that will be a presentation, short presentation, and that will be very much effective for you to learn business communication and report writing. As you know, I have taken the business communication report writing from the past from till now. Okay, so I will start from my presentation. Welcome to my presentation, and this presentation has been prepared by me and academic head department of BBA, Hajigunj Ideal College of Education. Well, business communication and report writing, when a company, how my topic today, how to write an effective business letter. Well, when a company needs to make an informed decision, that means you are taking a decision, and that decision will be informed decision. That means you are informing someone. Okay, so informed decision, and it can create business report to guide its leaders. It can create a business report to guide its leaders. Business reports use facts and research to study data, analyze performance, and provide recommendations on a company's future. I hope you can understand why should we write an effective business letter. When a company needs to make an informed decision, it can create a business report to guide its leaders. That means business leaders, you want to guide your business leaders, and business reports use facts and research to study data, analyze information, and provide recommendations on a company's future. And the basics of a business report. Business reports are always formal, objective, and heavily researched. Every fact must be clear and verifiable. That means every incident you are talking about, you are writing, that will be clear and verifiable regardless of whether the report focuses on a single situation or examines the overall performance of an entire company. Well, the structure of a business report, I am discussing now the structure of a business report. Although the size of a report can range from the page 1 to 100, structure is always important because it allows readers to navigate the document easily. And while this structure can vary due to report length or company standards, that means we have listed a common reliable structure below. Front matter, list your name. At first you have to list your name, your job title, your contact information, and date of the submission. You can also create a title for the report. And the background is also very much important. The background of the topic you will be addressing along with the purpose of the report itself. And the structure, the rest of the part of the structure of a business report. Key findings, provide facts, data, and key findings that are relevant to the purpose stated in the background. Be clear and specific. That means you are mentioning some important elements of your business letters, and that should be clear and specific, especially because the entire report depends on the information in this section. And secondly, conclusion. Last of all, conclusion. Summarize and interpret the key findings. That means whenever you are mentioning your key findings, what are actually your findings analysis, and after that you are giving an conclusion, summarize and interpret the key findings, identify issues found within the data, and answer questions raised by the purpose. That means what is your purpose, what is your objectives, you must mention it. Recommendations. Recommendations, as you know, the Bengali meaning of recommendations, that means shikriti pradan kora. Recommendation, solutions to any problems mentioned in the conclusion. Solution of any problems. That means you are facing some problems and you want some solutions of this problem. So solution to any problems mentioned in the conclusion, and summarize how these solutions would work, although you are providing your own opinion in this section. That means in this section you are providing your own opinion, তোমার নিজস্ব চিন্তা, নিজস্ব পারসেপশন, নিজস্ব দৃষ্টিভঙ্গি তুমি এখানে মেনশন করবে এবং অ্যাভয়েড ইউজিং পার্সোনাল প্রোনাউন্স, দ্যাট মিন্স personal pronouns and keep everything framed through the company's perspective. That means you are writing a business letter to a friend of you who is also a businessman, but you can't give any personal pronouns, personal perspective to this letter. Actually, you have to avoid personal pronouns and keep everything framed. Everything will be in a frame through the company's perspective. And last of all, reference. List the sources of the data. That means that means those data you are providing in your business letters, you have to mention the list, the sources for all of your data you have cited throughout the report. This allows people to see where you got your information and investigate these resources. That means where have you got your resources, and you have to just mention it. And some companies may also require an executive summary. Executive summary after the front matter section, which is a complete summary that includes the report's background. Background of the report must, you have to give an executive summary, and this executive summary actually refers to your report's background, key findings, and as well as recommendations. This section lets people learn the highlights quickly without having to read the entire document. That means whenever you are mentioning executive summary, সেই executive সামারিটা দেখে সে টোটাল তোমার যে রিপোর্টটা আছে সেই রিপোর্ট সম্পর্কে একটা ক্লিয়ার আইডিয়া নিয়ে নিতে পারে। That means this is very important. Executive summary mention করা can range from a paragraph to multiple pages depending on the length of the report. That means তোমার রিপোর্টের দৈর্ঘ্যের উপরে ডিপেন্ড করে যে তুমি তোমার রিপোর্টটা কিভাবে তৈরি করবে। এবং এখানে আজকের এই টপিকটা আলোচনা করার মিনিং হচ্ছে, অ্যাজ ইউ নো, you have to submit a final report after completing your BBA. So it is very much important for the BBA first semester as well as BBA 8th semester to prepare a good powerful report. That means এর আগের যেই স্লাইডটাতে আমরা উল্লেখ করেছি, some companies may also require an executive summary after the front matter section. Front matter সামনে যে বিষয়গুলো তুমি উল্লেখ করেছো, which is a complete summary that includes the report's background. That means reporter background সম্পর্কে, key findings and recommendations, everything will be adjusted to an executive summary to prepare a powerful and strong executive summary. The size of an executive summary can range from a paragraph to multiple pages depending on the length of the report. It actually depends on the length of the report. I hope you can understand the whole findings and analysis of how to write an effective business letter. So as I have said before, stay safe at your home during this coronavirus. Keep your family safe, and thank you very much for listening me.